Hello everybody, my name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. Honestly, that's how I feel with all of this bougie makeup on, darling. And I'm gonna explain why I'm giving you all these antics and I'm giving you all life right now. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and for those of you that are part of the Fab Whining family, welcome back. My name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I'm clearly feeling myself. Let's just get that out there first. I'm gonna be recreating this look, but this is just not any look. I am going to be using the new Pat McGrath Mothership palette. So Pat McGrath launched her 5th Mothership eyeshadow palette on September 7th, and I probably was the first one who bought my palette. When she first showed us how this new palette would look, I literally died and came back to life. So the 5th Mothership palette includes 10 eyeshadows, so it still has the same layout as the other Mothership collections. However, in this palette, she was definitely inspired by just different shades of red, and maybe she was inspired by the planet Mars. But on the website, when she describes this palette, she describes it as succumb to the splendor of 10 extravagantly extraterrestrial shades saturated with pure color and diamond sparkle intensity, ranging from ravishingly radiant rose gold, incendiary crimson, and molten metallic bronzes to mesmerizing mattes, pressed in a luxurious contour palette. Doesn't it sound like bougie? Like, seriously, like that's bougie. And today I'm bougie. If I had to just like jump into Pat McGrath's mind, I would definitely say she was either inspired by Mars, the red planet, or Venus. Definitely like a little bit of both. So it's gonna have 10 colors, and I'm gonna just read what those colors are from left to right and show you all some little swatches, because you're probably wondering, what does those swatches look like, her? So from left to right, we have Show Divine Glow, Entrapment, Blaze Bronze, Rose Gold 005, VR Fire Opal, Extreme Aubergine, Guilty Pleasure, Disobedient, Blitz Flame, Astro Luna Gold. So the kids have been talking, and I've been hearing everybody talking about, oh, the palette is so expensive, the palette is this, the palette is this. Stop. I want you to stop. Let me tell you all just a little bit about Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath is a makeup legend, and she is a makeup legend in the fashion world. She is an icon. She is a person who knows her makeup. She is the person that knows her way around good makeup, and she's a person that actually knows what us dark-skinned girls go through. So when you're talking about makeup from Pat McGrath, you're talking about the highest quality makeup made in Italy, using the most innovative technology, makeup made without parabens, sulfites, and other carcinogens that they just throw into every other makeup palette out there. And you're really talking about a brand where the company has your interest in mind. Like, it's not a company that's saying, hey, I'm putting $125 price tag on a bag because, you know, it's Louis Vuitton. No, she runs her company giving you the best packaging, the best eyeshadows, and the best presentation. So when people are saying, oh, I'm not going to get this palette, $125 is a lot, just remember that you get what you ask for. And I'm always going to support a woman of color when she's doing something good, and she's a great role model, and she's just making a difference. So kudos to you, Pat McGrath. I really rock with you, and I'm going to continue rocking with you. So honestly, after hearing the name of these colors and after seeing these colors swatch, I was ready to jump into this palette. Now, yeah, I know lately I've been doing about 1 video a week, and if I'm feeling really good, I'm shooting out 2 videos a week, but it's very rare that I have been able to keep with my schedule and throw out more than 3 videos. When this palette came today, I pushed everything to the side and was just like, I've got to do this video because the kids are wondering, what is this palette about? How is it gonna look? What are you gonna give us? And so, you know, I just wanted to play my part, and I wanted to give you all Pat McGrath Mothership Extraterrestrial Life for the kids. I also created this look with this guy right here, and I've named this one Mothership V as well. So if you all want to see how I came up with this look, stick around and keep watching the rest of the video.
I'm going to start this look off by dipping into the color Entrapment and very lightly packing that color as the base color around my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking that from the outer area of my eyelid, and I'm going to be blending that all the way to the center of my eyelid, right up to the eyebrow and alongside my nose. Now I'm going to take the color Disobedient, and I'm going to just lightly pack that right in the crease area as well as the outer area of my eye. I'm going to focus on getting the color into the areas that I really want it to show up at, and I'm not going to focus too much on blending. At this point, I'm just building up color to get that dimension. Oh, and for those of you that have hooded eyes, what I'm doing is bringing the crease up a little bit so it gives the illusion that my eyes are bigger. So I'm actually not going into my crease area, but I'm going into the area that I've designated as my crease and creating that illusion that the crease is higher than what it really is. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush without any product on, and I'm going in and I'm blending that eyeshadow out to make sure that it easily transitions from that base color. At this time, if there are areas that seem to need more product, it's okay to dip back into the eyeshadow and place more on the eyelid, but just make sure everything is blended out. You really want this look to be soft and blended. I'm now taking a flat concealer brush. I'm going to spray that with a little bit of setting spray and dip into the Blitz Flame and place it on the lid of my eye. I'm dipping back into the Disobedient color, and I'm blending the Disobedient with the Blitz Flame just so that it's an easy transition, and then I'm going right in the crease area just to clean up any areas where the Blitz Flame may have ran off. Now I'm dipping into Bronze Blaze, and before I dip into Bronze Blaze, I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the red color. I'm going to spray the brush with a little bit of setting spray, and then I'm going to place that in the inner lid of my eye, blending that right until about the middle of the eyelid, just enough to where it will easily transition from the red color to the gold color. Now I'm taking a small pencil brush, I'm dipping back into the color Entrapment, and I'm placing that on my lower eyelid and smoking that out, making sure that I start from the center and smoking it out towards the end of the eye. With the same makeup brush, I'm going to dip into the color Extreme Aubergine, and I'm going to place that on the waterline of my lower eyelid. Now I'm going to dip into Bronze Blaze. I'm going to place that on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to dip back into Blitz Flame and blend those two colors right to the center of the eye. Everything else from this point moving forward is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll let you do what you must with the rest of this tutorial.
So guys, I had a lot of fun creating this look, and I feel like this eyeshadow palette is well worth the money. You're not dealing with a company that's creating eyeshadow palettes from China. Like, you're getting this from Italy, and you're getting the highest quality pigments around right now. In addition to that, like, you're getting makeup from a makeup legend that knows her way around makeup and that knows how to give you a great product. So for all of my women of color that have problems just finding makeup that works for your skin tone, that shows up on your skin tone, Pat McGrath is gonna have you covered. I absolutely love this palette. Everything went on great. I mean, there were clips in the video where you saw when I put on that red, because let me tell you something. I've never seen a red eyeshadow go on as well as I seen that. And that was the number one reason why I got this palette, because you just don't see a lot of eyeshadow palettes with red undertones that go on so buttery and smooth and just like gorgeous and rich and pigmented. So I'm really loving this palette for that. On top of that, the colors are just giving me fall, they're giving me fire, they're giving me still brightness, they're giving me just everything I need for this season. And I mean, the colors are just buttery and creamy. The matte colors went on my skin so smooth. The lighter that I placed the eyeshadows across my eye with the fluffy brushes, the more they went across my eyelid, and I was definitely here for that. The metallic shades were great. There's a lot of glitter shades, so if you are a person, a girly girl that likes glitter, you're gonna love this palette. And even though like some of the colors look like they're gonna be pink, they actually don't come out pink. They're gonna give you more of red. Like this color right here, I thought it was gonna give me gold, but it's giving me like gold with red reflexes. I mean, this palette is just gorgeous. And I mean, like, for example, this one, look at that. Like, look how that just melts into my skin. And literally with one swipe, you're getting that. Look at that. If anything, they just melt into your skin. They don't sit on top of your skin like some colors do and then leave your skin looking ashy. No, these are just gonna melt into your skin. The thing that I love about Pat McGrath eyeshadows is that I don't have to work. This palette is definitely the perfect red palette for fall. Like if you're looking for a fall palette, the only thing that caught me off guard was some of these colors, especially the ones like with the gold flakes and everything. They were more glittery than metallic. So, you know, if you are going to wear those colors, I would definitely recommend using some type of adhesive, some type of glitter glue to make sure that it stays on, because I was getting fallout below, but it was nothing that I just couldn't fix. Overall, I really love this palette. Congratulations to Pat McGrath. You've done it again, and you've managed to create another masterpiece that, you know, I'm happy to stand behind and say it's a great product. If you have the extra coins to spend to buy this palette, I would definitely recommend doing so. Anyhow, I want to thank you all so much for joining me again today. If you all like this look, let me know down in the comment section what you thought about this look. If you like it, if you would pass, if you would spend your last coins on this palette, if you wouldn't spend your last coins on this palette, or if you would even get this palette. Let me know down in the comment section below. Also, if you did like the video, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. You know, just press it one time and that's all we need from you. And if you are watching this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and then while you're at it, don't forget to press the alert bell so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. Now, I am on social media. I'll leave my socials at the end of the video. Other than that, I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, wine. Bye-bye.